Good day everyone, I am John Kenneth N. Pajardo of Grade 10 St. Francis, and today I will be discussing one of the regions of the brain called cerebellum. But first, what is cerebellum? Your cerebellum is a part of your brain that helps coordinate and regulate a wide range of functions and processes in both your brain and body. While it's very small compared to your brain overall, it holds more than half of the neurons in your whole body. Where is cerebellum located? Your cerebellum is inside of your brain at about the same level as your ears. In relation to the rest of your brain, it's a very bottom and sits just above where your neck meets your skull. Now, let's move to the main function associated with cerebellum. The cerebellum receives information from other regions of the brain and nervous system, including the brainstem, spinal cord, and cerebrum. This incoming information is then used by the cerebellum to coordinate and control voluntary movements. The cerebellum is like a mini brain when it comes to movement and play an important role in coordination, posture, and balance, as well as in speech and number of important mental processes. Before I finish, here are some facts about cerebellum. The cerebellum's name comes from Latin and means little brain. The cerebellum is a small dense structure that makes up about 10% of the brain's weight but contains up to 80% of its neurons. Cerebellum also plays a role in cognitive functions such as attention, language, and emotional regulation.